Hey guys, working on a 2019 Toyota Camry hybrid. Should be the same for a regular Camry. We're going to do our cabin air filter. Pull this back, push in this clip, pull this thing out, in here, another clip, click. There's a little lip, little finger piece down here. Pull on it, and this pops out. Pull it forward. Okay, and here's the kicker here. I will admit, this car usually has a tray inside. I'm not gonna lie. I think I might have threw away the tray back in the day. So like I was saying before, there's a tray that's usually in here, and it has an up symbol. That just means the position that it's supposed to face up. Okay, you've seen here, I had the airflow pointing in the wrong direction. Not gonna lie. You know what direction airflow comes in because you see what direction the leaves are in. So I got leaves all in here. I have nothing on the bottom. So I definitely installed this the wrong way last time. It's really bad on my end. But let's put her in. This is actually pretty cool. It comes with the instructions too. Very nice. But don't do like I did. Put the airflow facing down. And if you either threw your tray away or it's missing, I will put the part number for the new tray. This operates perfectly fine without it. But now, up arrow, we're going to slide this in here like this. And then she's sitting where she needs to. And now, get this piece right here. She sits in like that. Boom, and all done. Thanks for watching. Till next time, out. Bye.